What do you do when you want to buy a binary asset or nothing call, or a binary asset or nothing put at a certain price but can't find a seller at a price you want? Using what's called the put-call parity, you can sell an asset or nothing put combined with a long asset position to replicate a long asset or nothing call. Or you can sell an asset or nothing call combined with a long asset position to replicate a long asset or nothing put. We'll walk you through this idea in this tutorial. First, let's say you own 1 Ether. Your profit or loss is linear. You get the price difference to your entry at the time you sell it. Now, to sell a Spear token as an asset or nothing call, you have to fund the pool with 1 asset token like wrapped Ethereum. In this case, you're selling an asset or nothing call and receive a premium in wrapped Ethereum. At expiration, if the underlying asset is below the strike price, you keep the premium. Otherwise, you lose the difference between 1 asset and the premium. Now, if you long an asset or nothing put represented as a shield token on Divergence, you buy a shield token using a premium in wrapped Ethereum representing an asset or nothing put. If the Ethereum price settles below your strike price at maturity, you receive 1 asset, wrapped Ethereum. Your profit is the difference between 1 asset and the premium you pay. Otherwise, you lose your premium. As you can see, the expected payoff for the long asset and sell asset or nothing call is equal to the long asset or nothing put. This can also be used as an arbitrage strategy when there's a price difference with an asset or nothing put, and to hedge and sell a strip of calls at different strike prices. Now we'll go through the second part of the put-call parity, where we long an asset and sell an asset or nothing put to replicate a long asset or nothing call. Remember, the long asset payoff is the price difference between your entry and exit. To sell an asset or nothing put, you would sell a shield token. You have to fund a divergence pool with 1 asset token like wrapped Ethereum. At expiration, if the Ethereum price settles above the strike price, you keep the premium. Otherwise, you lose 1 asset. The loss in this case is the difference between 1 asset and your received premium. Now, to buy an asset or nothing call, you have to buy a Spear token from the pool using a premium paid in wrapped Ethereum. Your profit in this case is the difference between 1 asset and your paid premium. Otherwise, you lose your premium. As you can see, the expected payoff for the long asset and sell asset or nothing put is equal to the long asset or nothing call. Thus, you can use the long asset and sell asset or nothing put combination to replicate an asset or nothing call. In both scenarios, this shows the parity application when using assets as collateral. This can also be used for hedging or arbitrage. Anyways, let's remind you that options trading involves risk. This is not financial advice. We hope to see you soon trading on Divergence. If you have any questions, you're welcome to come ask in our Discord or Telegram channels.